Alright guys, you are welcome to solve it with David. You are welcome to solve it with David. If you ask to convert 101 base 2 to base 10, how will you solve it? Imagine you see this kind of question in your JAMB exam. How will you attempt it? The best trick to just attempt it very fast without wasting much time, because it's just a bonus to JAMB exam. If you don't know this in mathematics, sorry, you have to go back to your village. Sorry, I'm just kidding. So you have to solve and convert 101 base 2 to base 10. So solution, you don't need to write all this when you're jumbo. You don't need to write solution, just go straight to the point. So we have to solve what? 101 base 2 to base 10. Then the first thing we are going to do is numbering in powers. You number in powers. When I say number in power, raised to power of all this number. So you're starting from the right to the left. From the right to the left. That means you'll be starting from number what? 0 to the total number of those numbers you have to convert to base 10. So if you want to do that, you have to number from right to the left. That will be 0. You know, I told you start from 0. 0, here will be 0, here will be 1, here will be 2. What's this place? Stop looking at that Gejaria, concentrate. What's this place? You don't talk saying 3. Here will be 3, 4, then 5. 1 is to power 5, 0 is to power 4, 1 is to power 3, and so on. So what we are going to do next is what? You will multiply this by your base. You multiply the first one by your base, then raise it to the power you are we inserted now. Raise it to the power for like this. 1 multiplied by what? 2, your base. Raise it to the power of 5 plus you had it. Please take note. So I want to tell you guys something. Anytime you are given a number in 0, when 0 is included in that number, you have to convert to base 10. When 0 is included, please, anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So anything multiplied by 0, you are just wasting your time if you are still writing that 0 and you are wasting paper. You know, in JAMB, they don't have time for all those things. You only have 2 minutes to solve. So 0 will be cancelled, because if I say 0 times 2 raised to power 4, that will be 0 times 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 0 times 16 will give me what? It will give me 0. So I don't need to write it again. Same thing applicable to this second 0 which is here. So we don't need to use it. Since we are not going to use it, I will just move on to the next one, which is 1 times 2 raised to power 3. So I write 1 times what? 2 raised to power of 3. Then the third one and the fourth one. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You don't need to write all these ones. It's just an illustration. So 1 times 2 raised to power 3. Then the fourth one is what? 1 times 2 raised to power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 2. The fifth one, you know, I told you anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So we don't need to write it anymore, because if you add something to 0, it will give you that number back. So the last one, which is the sixth one, is what? 1 times 2. Sorry, I forgot to add plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 0. Now 1 times 2 raised to power of 5 will give what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That should be 32. 2 raised to power of 5 is 32 plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 3 is what? That should be 8. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 in 3 times. That should be what? 8. 8 plus 2 raised to power of 2. 1 times 2 raised to power of 2 is what? 2 raised to power of 2 is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 0. You know, in law of indices states that anything, for instance, x raised to power of 0 is what? X raised to power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is what? 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times 32, that's 32. Plus 1 times 8, that's 8. 1 times 4, that's 4. Sorry, plus 4. 1 times 4, 4. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Then 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 times plus 1. Then, sorry. 1 times 32, 32. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. Then 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1. Alright, so 32 plus 8 give us 40. 40 plus 4 give us what? 44. 44 plus 1 will give us what? 45. So our answer is what? Our answer is what? Answer me. I told you the answer already now. Our answer is what? 45. 45 what? The base you are asked to calculate, that's base 10. So our answer is what? 45 base 10. Thank you. So I want you to comment if you don't understand the concept of this which I've just taught you now. So you can just drop your complaints in the comment section. And if you really enjoyed this, please, I would like you to follow me on this account, like, share and comment. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.